If you spend your day rewriting emails, cleaning up meeting notes, and turning messy ideas into documents, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, you'll get 5 copy-paste AI prompts that replace Busywork. You can use them today for emails, meetings, planning, tables, and executive summaries. Quick rule before we start: never paste sensitive information. Use placeholders like Client A, Project B, and Employee X. That one habit keeps your work safe and reusable. Let's start with prompt number 1. Emails in 3 tones. You are going to copy this exactly. Prompt 1. You are my email writing assistant. Context: recipient. Goal: constraints. Max 120 words. Clear next step. Polite close. Output: 3 versions. Short, standard, very formal, plus 5 subject lines. Here's how you use it. You fill 3 blanks: context, recipient, and goal. Then you choose the tone that fits your company culture. Short for internal updates, standard for normal follow-ups, very formal for vendors, clients, or leadership. Example: context: we shipped the draft proposal and we need approval. Recipient: finance manager, external stakeholder. Goal: approve by Friday and confirm the budget cap. When you run that, you get 3 usable emails instantly, not 1. And that's the point. Options with no extra thinking. Now prompt number 2, meeting notes into decisions and action items. This prompt turns chaotic notes into something your team can execute. Copy this. Prompt 2, convert the notes below into 1. Key decisions, bullets. 2. Action items table, owner, Ash task. Deadline, Ash priority. 3. Risks or blockers, top 3. 4. A follow-up email draft, 90 words max. Notes. When you paste notes, do one thing first. Add speaker names only if you already have them. If you don't, leave them out. The model will still produce a clean structure. Why this works? Because meetings fail when tasks are not assigned, not tracked, and not time-boxed. This prompt forces owners and deadlines, and the follow-up email gives you the send it now version. Mini tip: if the output feels too long, add this line. Keep decisions to 5 bullets max and action items to 8 rows max. That increases clarity and makes it easier to share. Prompt number 3, a realistic 7-day or 30-day plan. Most plans fail because they're vague. This prompt forces daily steps, milestones, and a fallback. Copy this. Prompt 3, create a plan for resources, output, daily schedule table, weekly milestones, checklist of prerequisites, 3 success metrics, if-then fallback plan for common obstacles. Here's how you use it. You choose the time window. 7 days for quick execution, 30 days for projects with multiple moving parts. Then you define resources honestly. If you lie about time, the plan becomes fantasy. Example: goal: launch a landing page and collect the first 200 emails. Resources: 60 minutes per day, 0 ad budget, 1 person, Canva, and Google Forms. Now, you'll get a plan that tells you what to do today, not someday. You'll also get metrics, which means you can measure progress without guessing. Prompt number 4, messy text into a clean table, plus insights. This is the prompt you use when you have a brain dump, a chat log, or unstructured notes. Copy this. Prompt 4, turn the content below into a table with columns. Then, summarize 3 insights from the table. List up to 5 missing details as questions I should answer next. Content. Dot. This prompt does 2 jobs. First, it structures information. Second, it tells you what is missing. That second part saves you from rework, because you catch gaps before you send anything to your boss or your client. Example columns: If you're handling customer feedback, column 1, issue. Column 2, frequency. Column 3, suggested fix. If you're handling project tasks, column 1, task. Column 2, owner. Column 3, deadline. Once you see the table, decisions become obvious. Prompt number 5, executive summary in 30 seconds. This is the difference between information and leadership communication. Copy this. Prompt 5, rewrite the text for an executive audience. Rules: 5 bullets max. Each bullet 12 words max. Include objective, status, next step, ask, deadline. Text: if you want it even sharper, add use simple words, no jargon. Now your summary becomes skimmable, and skimmable wins, because leaders read fast, not deep. Let's recap the 5 prompts. 1. Emails in 3 tones. 2. Meeting notes into decisions and action items. 3. A realistic 7-day or 30-day plan. 4. Messy text into a table, plus insights. 5. A true executive summary in 5 bullets. Now here's how you turn this into a channel that grows. Make each episode one job category. For example, prompts for customer support, prompts for sales outreach, prompts for students, prompts for managers. Because when the viewer feels this was made for me, they subscribe. If you want the next episode tailored, comment the word prompt plus your job title. For example, prompt customer support, or prompt sales, or prompt student. I'll build a custom prompt pack in the next video, and I'll keep it copy-paste ready. Thanks for watching. If this saved you time, subscribe for the next prompt pack